Going to want to be in the water rather than on top of it because it's going to be hot.
It is going to be hot. Take advantage of tomorrow morning. We're forecasting 60s, but let this sink in. After tomorrow morning, I don't have 60s in the 7-day forecast.
Not even at night.
Not even at night. So we'll go through the numbers for you. We have a heat wave coming. Comfortable in the forecast tonight. Morning temperatures tomorrow in the mid-60s. From there, we're going to heat up. 90 degrees back in the forecast for tomorrow afternoon, the beginning of a heat wave that I think will have a couple of peaks. One will be Friday into the start of the weekend. Hazy, hot, and humid. High temperatures will be in the 90s, but feeling like 100 to 105. What will bring those heat index values up, those dew point temperatures getting into that uncomfortable range. And this is just one forecast on heat index values or feels like temperatures. And as you can see, we've got at least a couple of days that will feel like the triple digits. So we want you to prepare now for the heat. Your family, your friends, your pets, everyone's going to need some extra attention. National Weather Service office out of the northern part of the state has already issued an excessive heat watch. Most likely we're going to see this changed over to an excessive heat warning or heat advisory. That should happen by this time tomorrow. Heat advisories already in place across parts of Illinois, Iowa, and Missouri, and across the middle part of the country. Some excessive heat warnings already posted for Friday into the start of the weekend. I would imagine we'll get a couple of advisories or warnings locally as well, so we'll keep you updated. 76 degrees right now. Winds out of that comfortable direction west-northwest at 3. Today's high temperature with just enough sunshine. Did dodge a few showers today. We did make it, though, to 84 degrees, which is pretty close to where we should be. Average high is 85. Nothing average about the forecast over the next several days as we track 90-degree heat. Early morning temperatures in the mid-60s will be at 70 at 8 a.m. Sunshine and 81 by noon. Afternoon temperatures get close to 90 degrees. We'll forecast 91 in Indianapolis tomorrow afternoon, but the mid-90s arrive on Friday afternoon. 95 in Indianapolis and Columbus. Check out St. Louis. That's an air temperature Friday of 98, not including high humidity that will bring those feels like temperatures into the triple digits. We'll need to take precautions from the heat this weekend as well. Looks like this peak will be Friday, Saturday with mid-90s. May get some minor relief Sunday with a chance for a few storms. Heating up tomorrow. Enjoy tomorrow morning. 91, 95 Friday, Saturday. Check out those morning low temperatures, low to mid-70s all the way through the middle part of next week. Storm chances late Sunday may bring us a little relief. Chance on Monday, then it looks like we get another peak in this heat wave. Mid-90s are back Tuesday and for the 4th of July.
I'm all set.